Hey guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. I am finally back, and today we're going to have a very special unboxing session. And well, I just received a box from Realme, and though I am actually expecting them to send me a Realme 3 Pro, they unexpectedly sent me something bigger. A bigger box, which I don't know what's inside, but probably there are some other bonuses that they tucked inside the box. But then again, they will be launching Realme 3 Pro this May 17. So I'm kind of expecting them really to put inside the Realme 3 Pro. So apart from that, what else can you find inside the box? Let's go and check it out. So this is the box that they sent me. They sent it via GNT Express. I just received it today. Today is Sunday, just for you to know. This is now the actual unboxing session. So what usually brands do is they send mystery boxes like this to, you know, put some excitement and spice to the unboxing experience, because I don't even know what's inside apart from the Realme 3 Pro. So let's go ahead. Alright, go. As you can see, I haven't even opened this yet, so so medyo talaga exciting tong experience ito because I don't know what's inside. Literally. There you go. Alright, okay, so right off the bat, we got ourselves, what is this? A cushion neck pillow, which I can use for my travels. Pretty cool. Yeah, pretty useful, as I can see. And of course, there is a jacket. Yay! I've always wanted to get one myself. I did not get one during the launch of the Realme 3. So when I saw it during the launch, you saw it ni Jackie Chen and also Ethan de Guzman. I'm kind of thinking, parang okay din, meron akong ganun. So this is the jacket rather that they sent me. I'll be wearing that pretty soon. There is also a game handle. Applied to all mobile phones, so adjustable, but we can use this on our Realme 3 Pro and Realme 3. Pretty cool. There is also, yes, the Realme Buds, which they're currently selling. If you want to get one, you can check it out. It's pretty cheap as well. Price is in the description down below. And there is even a chewy candy. Okay, this is unexpected. They even sent a yellow colored candy, which kind of fits the color scheme of Realme 3. Yes, a gaming mystery box, as I can see right here. It is a gaming mystery box because everything inside or tucked in inside are specific to gaming, except for the Chew candy. But if you want, then there's a Chew candy for you. Now this is the Realme 3 Pro. As I mentioned earlier, we're kind of expecting them to send one because they will be launching it this 17th of May. So if you want to know more about Realme 3 Pro, you better check it out this May 17th. Of course, we'll be posting a lot of videos starting from today, or even posts about the Realme 3 Pro, so you better check it out and stay tuned for more content. Alright, so let's now unbox the Realme 3 Pro. Now, as you can see right here, this is the box. It's nothing too different from the Realme 3, apart from the fact that there is a Pro at the bottom of the 3. So, it says here, because I don't know much about Realme 3 Pro, to be honest with you, apart from the fact that it is more powerful than the Realme 3. It says here it has 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage. Pretty cool. And then it supports pretty much all of the network that is compatible in the Philippines. And that's pretty much it. We still have to check what the SoC that is inside the Realme 3 Pro in the Philippines, because we don't know what's going to be inside this baby right here. But we'll let you know, guys, in our benchmark videos right after the launch period. But for now, I'm going to show you how the games played, how our favorite games are played using the Realme 3 Pro, and also some sample photos using this one. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Very slowly. Right there. And go. Alright. So this is it, guys. This is the Realme 3 Pro box, and inside it is obviously the Realme 3. Hey, welcome to Realme family. Inside this smaller pouch, we have the case. Pretty cool. And there are also some manuals and information guides about the phone. Again, this one is launching on May 17th. So at the time of this unboxing video, today is what, May 7 or May 6th rather. You know, a lot of things will be unfolded as the days go by. But as I mentioned, May 17 is the launch of the Realme 3 Pro. So this is the phone. We're going to check it out later. Okay. And then we have whoa, this is a big charger. Okay, so this the charger, the VOOC charger, is already there's a pre-installed adapter to it. So that well, just in case you're getting the same package, you might as well get yourself an adapter that would fit into the regular sockets here in the Philippines. So there you go. And there is also a this is a so it's a micro USB cable. There's no earphone inside because there's a Realme buds that they included in the box, in the mystery box. But I'm not sure though if they will be including that when you pre-order a Realme 3 Pro. Okay, so that's everything inside the box. Let's go ahead and check out our Realme 3. Oh, what we got is the black and blue color. Pretty cool color right there. It's so nice. So as I mentioned earlier, we will be posting a lot of photos and videos and some sample photos that we'll be taking rather using the Realme 3 Pro. So stay tuned with that. I am aware that Realme 3 Pro is good at night shot photography, so go and check out all our sample photos starting from today. So let's just continue with this, and then let's just skip that for now. Settings, let's for now put 1 2 3 4 5 6. There is a fingerprint sensor at the back of the phone. Add a fingerprint, as I mentioned. There you go. Alright, and then that's it. We can just adjust our hold. There you go. Continue. Wi-Fi assisted, we can select that, but since we don't have any cellular or SIM inside for now, we're just gonna skip everything. Right. Auto update overnight, yes, for us to keep updated. Set as a new Realme phone, and then that's it. ColorOS 6. Start experiencing. That's pretty much everything. So just to give you guys a quick tour of the phone, there is a camera right there, and then of course this is the screen. Details of the camera and the screen are now displayed for you guys. And then on the right side we have the sleep and wake button. On the left side we have the volume adjustment, and then there is also a microphone at the top. There's another microphone at the bottom for nice noise cancellation purposes. There's a 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom or just beside the microphone. And just beside the microphone as well, on the right side of it is, of course, the micro USB port. There is a speaker on its side. So it's not stereo speakers, but we're going to test that out on our review and first impressions. At the back of the phone, you have two cameras right there and one flash, details of which are now displayed on screen. And then, of course, the fingerprint sensor. So that's pretty much everything inside the box and the Realme 3 Pro. I cannot wait to test this, guys, for you. Take some photos, play some games, and give you our benchmarks as the days to come. So again, guys, the Realme 3 Pro will finally be launched in the Philippines this May 17th, so go and check it out. Thanks to our friends from Realme for sending these bunch of goodies for our gaming mystery box unboxing session. And of course, to all of you who keep on supporting Gadget Pilipinas. If you haven't liked our Facebook page, I encourage you guys to do so by going to facebook.com/GadgetPilipinas. If you're watching this on Facebook, just click that like button. And if you're watching this on YouTube, we would appreciate if you can subscribe and click that notification bell. So each time we go live or we have a new video, you will be the first one to see it. Again, this has been Gian. Thank you guys for supporting, and see you soon.